Hey guys, so we are packing up and getting ready for our trip. Our ferry leaves tonight, and then we'll explain how the process for that all went. So we are leaving this guy here in storage, not this one, this one, and we are taking the Jeep. So let me show you how we have it all packed up. So this is the rack that we ordered from Cabo, from Puro 4x4. And so we are packed to the max. As you can see, we are fully packed. We are packed for a 2-month adventure. So we'll see how it goes. Hey guys, so we are at the ferries. That's not the ferry we're gonna take, it's over there. It was a little confusing getting in, but I think we figured it out, and now we just wait.
Alright guys, here I am waiting for the ferry. Got a truck that's not going to start up there. He's been trying to boost it. Hopefully he gets it going so we can make it on. And that is the ferry right there, Baja Star. And we're just waiting to load on. Leave here probably 7 o'clock and get there tomorrow morning. Myra and the kids walk on the ferry. Alright, we'll see you when we get on, guys. Alright, got loaded on the ferry. As usual, they always want it nice and tight. And we will go upstairs. Alright, so I found my family. Here they are. Let's go have a look at the ferry. Decorate for every holiday. Okay. Got foosball, guys. You gotta pay $5 per game. Yep.
Hey guys, all right, we're in the room. So bathroom is just right here, and this is our room for tonight. There's 2 bunks right there. You get a little bit of okay, there's a couch right there, little TV. I don't know if it works or not. Window's really dirty, so there's no view. You can kind of see. So we'll see how it goes.
All right, so we're in line for food. Yeah, for food. And look at the dining room. It's so pretty. All right, we got some dinner here. And it smells absolutely delicious.
That sounds so good.
So, what did you guys think of dinner? It was delicious.
The best.
It was really good.
It's actually the best food that I've had on a ferry before. What do you think?
Best ferry food ever. Ever.
It's delicious.
Oh, looks like they're getting ready for a party. All right, here we have breakfast on the ferry. And again, delicious.
For 95 pesos, you can't go wrong.
No, it is awesome. All right, let's eat. All right, so that's the reception. Handed in key this morning for the rooms. And then just waiting to disembark the ferry. Hey guys. Did you have a good sleep? Más o menos.
I slept on a couch.
Oh, you slept on the couch.
I was gonna sleep on the ground, but then I saw Bell's bed. Yeah.
Yeah? The workers are very, very nice.
I'm gonna go see.
All right, so we are off the ferry. There's a ferry there. We're in Mazatlan. A little bit of a rough sleep, but I guess that was very calm seas, so that's very nice. And so now we are in Mazatlan, Mexico, mainland, finally.
That's how big the ferry is. It's huge. Son.
So we just got off the ferry, and if you need a taxi, they're lined up right here. So we just paid for the toll. It was 280 pesos. Yay, wide roads. We're very happy to see those. So the peak, if you love mountains, this is a place for you. Look at all this. You're just surrounded in mountains. So little did we know that the peak is a full-on city, guys. We just went around it and it looks humongous.
You're still going around it.
We're still going around it. Maybe one day we'll come explore it. But for now, we just say hello to the peak. Okay, so we just got into Ocotlan. We are about 30 kilometers away from Guadalajara, and we found this amazing hotel. Check this out. It's the entrance there. So when I came in, I just asked her about parking. They do have secured parking 2 blocks away. So Jody's gonna go park the car. And then she asked me to come look at the room, which one I wanted. She has this one where the beds are separated, or the other one where they have two beds together. So I chose this one because, well, and so we're already making ourselves at home. Bathroom over there, and there's a lot of space over here as well. So that'll be so nice. Very clean, very, very beautiful. Extra blankets. If you know from the ferry video, you know we have been very cold lately. 1,200 pesos, what is $60 US for the night. You cannot go wrong with this. I hope you will come and check this out because it is so beautiful. Okay, so here is the hotel from outside. Look how beautiful this is, you guys. You guys have to come and check this place out. It is probably one of the prettiest, nicest buildings ever. And Luz, you have to come see Luz. She is so lovely. It is a busy road, but inside you hear nothing.